Yes, hello, good morning everyone. This is Cynthia and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those people not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe Lakbay Cynthia. Don't forget to hit the bell button, please share and do comment down below to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, we are going to Xingling Shan. And this is the footage of our drone. Enjoy watching everyone!
Hello guys! We are here at Shileng, known as Shake Hill. Don't ever think a lot of snakes here. Has been translated into English as Snake Hill. This isn't quite correct, since despite of meaning snake translates as ridge rather than hill. So technically, Shileng translates to Serpent's Ridge, which has to be one of the really knows about this spot. They called it Snake Hill because of fabulous little ridge hike. Shileng is a medium difficulty hike that can also be tracked by confident beginners. It's located right on the border of Hong Kong and Shenzhen, with its start point right near the Lok Ma Chau border crossing. Despite it being primo weather and snack bang in middle of Hong Kong's hiking season, I only encountered one person on the trail, likely because no one really knows about this spot. If the name alone isn't enough to sway you, there are plenty of other positives about this gem of a hike. It takes you from overgrown jungle across an open, undulating ridgeline, past remnants of a mysterious barbed wire fence, and towards a view that's just incredible. The highlights of this hike is a vista that juxtaposes Hong Kong's last few remaining fish farms with the modern skyscrapers of Shenzhen across the border. I sat at this viewpoint for a long time, reflecting on the encroachment of glass, steel, and concrete into our natural space. On no hike have I felt this contrast more than here. Then I was reminded why it's important to stay focused while hiking. I almost slipped down a steep, slippery slope during the final descent. What a hike! Enjoy your day! Sukran!
Awan ribon ni. Aja lang may sa tape nga nagyayan tiruot. Siguro damo siguro nga Pilipina di tanay nagtataga ng dalawang naga-hiking o kanang siguro mat na. Mga Pilipinang pasaway. Wala. Wala, back out ka. Nakula man ang tatay.
Kasi pa, baka sublitan ko na. Pagin nakita di Yuna.
Tapos di nakabit sa amin ka na. Kina parang pag si Silvi.
Dati yung tanong mo, pinagmatunan mo sa
Siguro nung naglalatad to eh. Tataklo siguro si Kwa.
matay yung bago.
Na?
Yung nagtatatoy tatay. Madayo sa gibangon pa. Mayat dito sa kwa.
Ito yung rilok. Ito yung nag-startan na dyan lalaki tatay. Ate ribbon. Baka da ribbon nan. Ate awan. Hana da ribbon tatay di ayan tikwa.
Blue?
Blue.
Yung mga blue pa kayo din sa.
Meron mga hook dito. Makapatid lagi tinong hook. Dito sa kabila.
Dito sa mga agdan. Agdan dito. Ha? Ano dalang ko?
Toy.
Bagay ko pwede ko po ano. Pwede ko libong. Baka may kabisak ko yun. Kasi nga dito pag cellphone mo ko. Bakit? Hindi makababa. Hindi makajam. Wala sa mga na nung mayroon ng dat ni Baboy Ramaw. Pakikabil mo man yung nagsibag ko. Ito yung unat ko nga ito. Sibig-tabi ko ang pulga na lang. Thank you.
Pa? Awan ribbon mo eh. Ayun lang may sa tatay nga nagyay ang tiruot. siguro, damo siguro nga Pilipina di tanay. Nagtataga ng dalawang nag-hiking. Oh, kanang siguro mas na. Mga Pilipinang pasaway.
Choice ko ide na madi nga ituloy.
Wala. Wala, back out ka. Ako na man ang tatay.
Kasi sa back out, sublitan ko na. Pagdating nakita di Yuna.
Tapos di nakabit sa amin ka na. Kinaparparag pag si Silvi.
Dati yung tanong mo, pinagmatunan mo sa
Siguro nung naglalatad to eh. Tataklo siguro ito ko.
madayo sa bagay.
Na?
Yung nagtatatoy katay. Madayo sa gibang mayat dito sa kwat.
Ito yung rilok. Ito yung nag-startan na dyan lalaki tatay. Ate ribbon. Basta da ribbon nan. Katay awan. Hana da ribbon tatay di ayan tikwa.
Blow?
Blue.
Yung mga blow pa kayo dun sa
Meron mga hook dito. Makapatid lagi